Okay, we're starting out at Madero and we're heading east on the path here. It's not really a Malecon anymore, just a path. And we've been from Madero west, but now we're going Madero east. And it's a little less formal. Nice views along this walk, as usual. Coming up to a big property on the left, behind that fence.
All those little trees blocking the view. I'd cut those boys down. Aren't they beautiful?
Lots of bougainvilleas.
Careful. And
Quite a piece of property here.
Shrubbery and trees.
Man running with his dog.
Big birds today. Boy, what a nice wall, seawall. If the water ever comes up this far.
Getting a little rough here. We may have to stop, but the path may continue. Well, I think we're going to end our walk here for right now because it's getting kind of rough.
What was the legend that the eagle...
You see the legend says that Aztecs, they had to settle when they find an eagle with a snake.
Oh,
And
that's...
one of these eagles died there. That's why from the distance it looks like an eagle with the beak, the eye, and the wings.
This is a view looking back from the lake to the mountainside. And this is the house that has a nice view I've been showing in the last few minutes. And I'm sure they have a mountain view too. Okay, that's it for today.